What's up, Shaka Nation? It's your boy Karsten and Ashley.
What's up, Shaka Nation?
Got a low light situation going on here. So it's 3 a.m. right now. It's actually 4 a.m. We're actually late as shit, so we need to hurry up. But it's 4 a.m. I gotta scoop Grom. We gotta stop by the store, pick up some merch, and then we gotta get to Fort Lauderdale Airport. And yeah, we gotta go. All right, so we're extremely late for the airport. We hit some stopped traffic.
Yeah, that's why we're late.
It's saying we're gonna be at the airport at 7:32, and our plane starts boarding at 7:25. But it doesn't leave until 8:10, so we have like 40 minutes to get to the airport. Once we're in the airport to get onto the plane, which is going to be a mission. But hopefully there won't be any lines, and we'll be able to get right in the plane. But I guess we'll find out soon.
So a little update.
Louder.
We did miss our flight, so that's a big bummer here. But
Yeah,
we're
missed
still gonna make it.
Yeah, there's another flight 3 hours later, so instead of like 8:30, it's at like 11. So
We'll be in there by 11:50.
we should be in the water by like 12. So we're hopefully still gonna get it.
Howdy, y'all.
All right, we're boarding.
Finally.
Thank you.
Criteria and exit seat functions. Or if you do not wish to be seated in an emergency exit seat.
Just like that, we're in El Salvador, boys. Now we gotta go find the team, get back together, and get on a little shuttle, get to the Airbnb so we can go surf.
Well, flying in, we see some fucking perfect right point breaks, get in the airport, and we got there on fucking COVID test, so we're flying back. Trip's a no-go.
After they missed their flight, had to buy a new flight.
Not even you missing your flight in the first place, but
We need a shot. Start filming. Just film.
You gotta chase it afterwards. Oh my god. Plane's gonna be fun. You're so extra, Grom. Sorry. Alright, ready for the plane.
I wasn't coming to El Salvador without getting drunk first. That's something I'll say.
Yup. Dude, that gas these garlic knots. Dude, that's a nice knot.
Came to El Salvador, I got some gourmet meals.
We're checking a gourmet meal. Oh. Dude, I'm the very last seat guy. Damn. Dude, they made him like chug all of his drinks. He had 2 shots and a whole Sprite.
They didn't let you bring them?
Nope, chug them.
Let me know.
Bring mine.
They were gonna, but then I would have had no. They weren't gonna let me bring my chaser.
Well, goodbye El Salvador.
Well, fellow viewers, we are now headed back to America.
long journey in El Salvador.
Yo, back to Fort Lauderdale, baby. Back in America. So we've been in line for like how long, Austin?
I don't know, like 24 hours, and if you count the traffic and then the rest of the lines we've been in.
Yeah, so we're back in the States now.
Much the same thing.
Got the little wave check going on today.
We checked it, it was pumping, so we had to come back, grab our boards.
Probably gonna grab our boards and head down.
Yeah, we're on our way back.
It's definitely good, so we just didn't want to spend the money to stay there, you know?
All of us are kind of reluctant, but Robbie is so about. It's like ridiculous how about he is.
Robbie's really stoked to go back. He's stoked to just be part of the action, really.
Thriving.